Okay, this is to make ribbon roses. This is the same technique I use to do cedar ribbon roses out of cedar bark. So there's two pieces of material. In this case, it's silk ribbon, about 24 inches long. This one's probably a little bit longer. Same length. And so I've got one in my right hand and one in my left hand. And the first thing I do is I cross them over. So take the right and cross it over the left. So you see I've got an X here, like that. The first thing I do is I'm going to hold this ribbon facing towards the right, and I'm going to fold from the left to the right, creating like a little K. I don't know if you can see the K. So I'm holding this ribbon here, this bottom one, and I'm going to fold the top again. There's that second triangle that I'm looking for. I'm holding the bottom and I'm folding over the top, and I'm going to put both short pieces in the very front. As you can see, I've got like a half circle with 3 triangles in it. So the next step then is I'm going to take this first one and I'm going to fold it in half toward the back away from me, and you can still see the short tails. I'm going to fold again, and that's the beginning of the bud, and then I'm going to fold a third time. So you can see I've got 2 pieces of ribbon here, and I'm going to hold that, and then I'm going to flip the whole entire thing over. And I've got the 2 tails here. I'm going to hold those in my left hand. So now I've got 2 pieces of ribbon that are going towards the right. One's on the bottom. This is the bottom one, and this is the top one. And I've got a bud. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to hold this bottom one. I'm going to fold loosely the top one over the bottom one. And then I'm going to roll the whole bud to the right into those folded ribbons. So you can see a little bit of a start. If you don't like it that way, you can twist a little bit from the bottom to create more of a bud. So again, I've got the bottom ribbon and the top ribbon. I'm going to hold the bottom, fold the top, and roll. I'm going to try and keep it a little bit flat so it looks like a rose. Sometimes I get them a little too tight, and then I'm told it looks like a pine cone. So hold the bottom, fold the top, and roll. Okay. Hold the bottom, fold the top, and roll. So you can do that loosely. Hold the bottom, fold the top, and roll. Hold the bottom, fold the top, and roll. Okay. Hold the bottom, fold the top, and roll. I'm starting to do a little bit looser on the edges so that it isn't too tall. Hold the bottom, fold the top loosely, and roll to the right. Hold the bottom, fold the top, and roll. Hold the bottom, fold the top, and I'm going to roll it. Hold the bottom, fold the top, and roll. You can kind of shape it as you go. Hold the bottom, fold the top, roll. Hold the bottom, fold the top, roll. Press, maybe push it up a little bit. Hold the bottom, fold the top, roll it, hold the bottom, fold the top, and roll. Hold the bottom, fold the top, and roll. Hold the bottom, fold the top, and roll. Hold the bottom. On this last one, I'm going to do that once more. And roll it. This last piece I'm just going to actually twist here and secure it on the bottom of the bud, like that. And I'm going to tie it with a piece of synthetic sinew because it's a little bit waxy. Create a knot. I'll trim that. And then sometimes you got to do a little bit of shaping. So maybe you want to push that up a little bit in the center. So make it look more like a rose. So that's the finished product on that one. And there you have it. So you do that the same with a cedar bark to make a cedar rose.